We are moving beyond the waterfall. Let's see what's there. I hope it will be beautiful, beautiful, and the most beautiful. You know, I'm really good in grammar. Let's see. You can see the nature is really good. Plus the what will say. The weather is quite hot, but then after reaching the waterfall, it's really, you know, our bodies are freezing like anything. But after getting wet from the water of the waterfall, our body has become really freezing one. You can see this is the place called actually I don't remember the name of this place, okay? Just it's from Bokakhat. Our friends are moving in front. I'm the last one because I'm frightened of such things, you know, because I don't want to die early. Let my friends die first, after that let me die. Wow, you can see the beauty of this nature. It's really there is no word to describe about this. It's really fantastic. It's really good. Nature has given us many beauty things, but we the people are destroying all these things. I don't know why we the people are so terrible for this. Because we must not do such kind of things, because nature has given, see how the place is really fantastic. That's my friend called Provin. This is Tilak. After I don't know the names of the girl, but they are my friends.